just when you thought you saw it all. Flexible. Skewers. Firewire. Can your skewer do this? Probably not. I'm going to show you how to cook with this skewer. It is like awesome. I'm going to show you how to cook with this skewer. And down below you can get you one of these, or you can go to my Amazon store. But anyway, these are awesome. Okay, here's how we did it. We're going with the Z grill today. And here's our ingredients, folks. Okay, so we got some Angus New York strip steaks that we're going to be cubing up. We got mushrooms, red onion, some flavorful potatoes, some bell peppers, and what do we got right here? Papa's sauce is going to be the Parmesan roasted garlic, Parmesan and roasted garlic, and Gigi's is going to be the fire roasted poblano ranch, and we're going to sprinkle a little bit of sweet and spicier. I wanted to show you my steak real fast. Yeah, this is where we're at right now, folks. We got stuff chopped up. Oh, that looks really good. Check those out. This one's Papa's back here. Look at that. Look at that goodness. And this one's Gigi's. Look at that. I love the way the skewers curve. Alright. So as I said, there's Gigi's sauce. There's Papa's sauce. And it's going to be sprinkled with Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy. Alright, what's cool about these, this one's Gigi's. I can't see the camera, but I'm sure y'all can see that. Look at that, it just twirls up in there. Awesome. I got this new thing coming to me that holds my bag while I cook. Alright, we're going to put her stuff in here and let it sit for a while. Oh, that smells really good. As I told you, fire roasted poblano ranch, private selection. Alright, watch out, don't poke your bag. Stick that up underneath there. Get the air out of it as much as you can. I'm going to toss it around a little bit. Put them in the refrigerator. There goes Papa's. Oh, and watch when I put them on the grill. There's something else cool about these things that you will like, that I will tell you at that point in time. And here's mine, Parmesan and roasted garlic. That smells pretty good too. I'm gonna have to taste some of hers though. That smells really good. So this is my leftovers, so I don't want to waste anything. So we're gonna put some sweet Uncle Steve's sweet and spicier generously on all these veggies and this meat. And this will just sit in the grill, and it might be a snack for Papa tomorrow, right before nap time. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Z grill. Ooh, it's hot. This is Gigi's. And it really smells fantastic. Alright. Just gonna sloppy up my grill. Supposed to leave this out a little bit so it stays cool. Woo. Alright, can y'all see that? Here comes Papa's. I'm actually gonna save this sauce, and I'm gonna add a little bit of it during the cook. I got Ugg gloves. It is making a mess down there. Check that out though. You can just ring it around anything you want. You can get you these in the link down below. Moment of truth. Man, that looks awesome, Papa. Let's see what we got here. If you want one of these things, it's always in the link down below when I'm showing it. Or you can go to my Amazon store. Its link's down below too. We're at 143 right there. That doesn't bother me. 70. You know what's cool about this? Whichever way you turn it, it turns with you. It helps you cook. 158, 160, we're good. How about this one? 150, that's mine. If mine's less than hers, that's fine with me. We don't know about that yet. Alright. I told Pickles just a minute ago, if it's burnt, it's his fault because he just came out with a premiere. All of a sudden just puts one out there and there I am watching it. Pickles Barbecue over in Colorado. He just made some southern beans. I'll leave a link to his southern beans recipe. Someone said, what makes a meal southern? Well, Papa's meals, the ones that are southerns, because I got a little bit of snuff came out and went in it, you know, and that makes it, and I just stir it up. It's fine. Yeah, and he does have bacon in his. I'll leave him a link. I'll leave you a link to that green beans in here. Go tell him Papa Texas sent you. All right, I'm gonna get these babies off of here, and we're gonna see what it did. Yeah. All right, here comes Gigi's. Look at that. Woo-wee. Here comes Papa's. Oh. Oh. Wow. So hot? Yeah, it's not bad. This is really, really awesome. There's Papa's. Yeah. Let's do a taste test. Taste test time. I'm gonna pull a piece of meat, hunk meat right there off and see what it tastes like. Mmm. I'll tell you what, Gigi's smells really good. I may like that one better than this one, but this one's really good. I like it. This was the Parmesan and garlic roasted garlic. Now here's Gigi's. I want meat, not a tater. So I got a tater. Mmm. 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 Hit that bell. If you made it this far. Pepper. Mmm. Now for the succulent meat. That's good. That's the fire roasted poblano ranch. No heat to it at all. Man, when you open it up, snip that sucker, you're gonna enjoy it. Good flavor to it. All right, y'all. If you want one of these fire wheels, I'll leave a link down below. And also, if you want to go to my Amazon store, it's linked down below. It shows a whole bunch of things that I cook with or some things that I recommend. Y'all have a blessed day and a fantastic week coming up. It's Papa. Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. See ya. I forgot to show you one more thing you can do with this. Check this out. You loop it through there. Bam! There you go. And you just carry it around like that and grill with it. Oh my gosh. You need one. You need one of these babies. Yeah. Back to Papa.